So the question is how to get higher open rates on your emails. And as a marketer, we know that how important it is to get higher open rate on your emails. So that's exactly what we are going to discuss in this video. We are going to discuss what are the fundamentals of writing a catchy email subject line, plus how we can use ChatGPT to help us in the same. So this will be a perfect walkthrough video where I'm going to show you step by step on how to use ChatGPT to write catchy email subject lines. Plus, I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how it is done. Before I share my screen and show you how to use ChatGPT for the email subject lines, let's discuss what are the fundamental tips on writing catchy email subject lines. Number one is creating urgency within the subject lines. Something like this: limited time offer or offer expiring today. This will help us to get people open the email. Number two is making people curious to open your emails. Make them feel like they will get benefit if they open this email. Number three is pretty obvious one, that is having an offer within your email subject line so that people know that what they are going to get if they open this email. Number four is very important, that's personalization. Because every subscriber is a different, and having their name within their email subject line is really good idea. Number five, relevance. Craft subject lines that are relevant to the interest of your users. These were the major fundamental tips on crafting a good subject line for your emails. Now I'm going to share my screen and show you how to use ChatGPT to craft email subject lines that can get you higher open rates. Okay, as you can see on my screen that I have a list of ChatGPT prompts that can help us to do so many stuff, and these prompts are from the dashprompts.com. You can get access to these as well. I'll link these prompts in the description below. So we will be writing email subject lines today. So I'm going to choose that topic particularly. You can see writing email subject lines here. So click on this and you'll see a lot of prompts here. We are going to use these prompts and let's see how these prompts can help us to write or craft a really good email subject line for us. And these are basically some pre-written good quality prompts that we can use. So I'm just going to copy this for now and let's get into the ChatGPT. I'm just open the ChatGPT here. Now what we have to do is we have to edit this ChatGPT prompt in our ways. Basically we have to customize this in our manner. For example, just copy paste here. If you see this prompt says that I'm looking for a subject line for an email promotion about this product and service. So basically, for example, let's take an example of I'm trying to sell a marketing course. So what I'm going to do here is I'll type in here marketing course. So basically I'm looking for a subject line for an email promotion about marketing course. The email will be sent to I'm going to write a target audience here. For example, my target audience is marketing professionals with 2 years of experience in marketing and having an age of between like 22 to 28. And our goal is to sell our course basically. So what we're going to do is to get, can you please generate a subject line that is of convincing and professional plus and includes these keywords. So instead of keywords we can say that this includes personalization, so let's see what we get using this prompt, and we can obviously optimize it moving forward. So here's one subject line: accelerator marketing career personalized strategies. So we can generate few more, like we'll reprompt it, rewrite 5 more with so basically as we talked previously, like how personalization is important within the email subject line. So that's what exactly I'm trying to reprompt it so that we get well-optimized subject lines. For example, you see, John, ignite your marketing career with personalized strategies, enroll in our exclusive course today. Now what we can do in order to optimize this, you see how important it is to add emojis. Like emojis are really good to show the expression of what we are going to, what we are trying to say within the text, right? So I'll reprompt this is, and this is like add relevant emojis. You'll see how this is gonna make our subject line stand out. It's looking really good. So instead of these names, as you can see on the screen, John, Alex, Emily, and all that, so we can use a customized and personalized first name from our email list instead of these names. And you see how these subject lines are looking after prompting it to like 3 to 4 times. Now let's try a different prompt from the same list. Is like, I'm looking for a subject line about, for a newsletter about this marketing course. The email will send to, goal is to get. So basically the idea is that we have to be very careful and we should be able to know that how to use ChatGPT properly. It's not like just writing random stuff within the prompts. It's like we have to be carefully write prompts that optimizes our content. For example, as you can see on the screen, I'm just giving continuous reprompts for the already generated content to get a better version of that. So that's exactly how ChatGPT works. We have to feed in a lot of information to that so that we get a desirable output from the ChatGPT. So as you can see, I'm trying with the different prompt. It's like that is convincing and includes. Let's try this with the keyword now. Let's see what content we get or what subject line we get from this. Even we can make these with the character constants. For example, if we just want it like say 70 characters, 80 characters only, we can give a prompt to for the same. Now I'm going to write is like, so you see, I just gave another prompt to see how it works. As you can see, like we are getting really good quality results after giving a multiple prompts to the ChatGPT. Now we can try like a lot of stuff in here. There are tips as well, like try to be creative and use power words. So for example, we can even use this like something like this, and then let's see how it goes now. So as you can see, it generated another variation of that same, and as you can see on this, it's mentioning today this is more of an urgency stuff what we discussed previously in this video. So yeah, it's following most of that stuff. Even we can prompt this like, okay, so you see this prompt, I'm just giving exactly what we discussed previously, like the fundamentals or the fundamental tips of crafting a good quality subject line. So let's see what output we get from this. See, these are really good quality subject lines we are getting. Only 24 hours left. Don't miss this out on our exclusive marketing course offer. So that's how we use ChatGPT to generate desirable output using the prompts like continuous prompting. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much. I hope you like the content in this video. If you're interested in more content like this around ChatGPT, marketing, business, and all that, you can subscribe to this channel and feel free to drop your recommendation or suggestion within the comments on what topic you need your next video on, something like that. So I'll take care of that. But yeah, that's pretty much in this video. I know, I hope you like this content. So yeah, feel free to reach out to me in case if you need any help with your marketing. My website is mohitsoni.me. So yeah, that's all for this video. Peace out.